Hello, and welcome to this video in which I'll explain how to add a new user to your already existing CDX account. Please keep in mind that only the company administrator can do this, so you'll need his or her login information to be able to complete this task. To start off with, please log in. Once you've logged in, navigate to the Administration tab in the top left, and then click User. Once in here, click Create User on the far right. Now we ask you to fill in the information of the person that you want to add to your company account. First, there's last name, first name, then there's the authorization profile. Here you generally have three options. You can pick the company administrator, who can manage your account and reply to MDS requests. Then there's the standard user, who can only reply to MDS requests. And then there's the read-only user, who can only view but not reply to MDS requests. Then there's the telephone number. Then there's also the fax number and the title of said person, if you want to fill it in, although this is not mandatory. Then there's the email address. And then there's the valid until date. Make sure to pick a date that is far in the future so your new user account does not expire. Finally, make sure that compliance contact person, and MDS view are all ticked for this new user, so this new user will be a contact on your CDX account. Finally, make sure to click Save on the top left. When you've done this, the login information of this new user will be emailed to the new user at the email you just filled in. If you have any trouble or questions about this process, please email us at focus-list@grundfos.com with the subject New CDX User. Inform us of your issue and we'll help you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching.